3, 2, 1.
In which Clint Eastwood directed film would you find the characters Ira Hayes and John Doc Bradley? The answer is B. Flags of Our Fathers. If I make a call into the 718 area code, what general area am I calling into? The answer is D. The boroughs of New York. Which renewable resource is generated by air convection currents? The answer is A. Wind energy. Which tennis player holds the most Grand Slam titles in the Open era? The answer is A. Roger Federer. What is the name of the molecule that carries genetic information? The answer is A. DNA. Which of the following is a part of the process of sexual reproduction? The answer is C. Pollination. During what century did Ramesses Roman III, Pharaoh of Egypt, live, rule, and die? The answer is A. 12th century BC. What fruit contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant? The answer is B. Watermelon. In Chinese martial arts, the series of movements that are combined so they can be practiced as one set of movements are grouped in how many general types? The answer is D. 2. Hydrogen and helium are specifically involved as reactants in what nuclear reaction that is useful for making energy? The answer is C. Nuclear fusion. What gas is released by burning of fossil fuels and contributes to global warming? The answer is D. Carbon dioxide. Insects can have specialized mouthparts, such as a proboscis, to siphon the nectar from what? The answer is D. Flowers. What country is known as the land of the rising sun? The answer is A. Japan. Who is the Roman god of thieves and trickery? The answer is B. Mercury. What does Nevada mean? The answer is D. Snow-covered. When animals use energy, what is always produced? The answer is B. Heat. If the climate in an area changed over time to become very cold, which change would most likely help a species living there to survive? The answer is C. An increase in fur and fat. I'm a creature with the head of a lion, body of a goat, and tail of a serpent. Who am I? The answer is B. Minotaur. A flashlight converts chemical energy into what kind of energy? The answer is D. Illumination. What is the opening in the front of the eye? The answer is C, the pupil. Who won the Formula One World Championship in 2017? The answer is A, Lewis Hamilton. What two things are used in optical instruments to reflect or refract light? The answer is C, mirrors and lenses. What is the relationship of multiple action potentials from a single cell resulting in a significant change in the membrane potential? The answer is D, temporal summation. What was the pen name of Eric Blair, the author of the novel Animal Farm, which satirizes totalitarian government and human stupidity? The answer is D, George Orwell. What is the largest type of bed? The answer is D, king. What part of their body do the insects from order Archaeognatha use to spring up into the air? The answer is A, tail. In the movie The Color Purple, when Nettie is thrown off Mister's farm and Sally begs Nettie to ride her, what is Nettie's response? The answer is C, that nothing but death can keep her from it. Who is known as Iron Chancellor? The answer is A, Otto von Bismarck. What is long, thin, and used to pick your nose? The answer is C, toothpick. Which pasta's name means corkscrews? The answer is B, cavatappi. Who was the first female Supreme Court justice? The answer is A, Sandra Day O'Connor. What is a low table often found in front of a sofa or chair? The answer is C, side table. Which book is famous for green eggs and ham? The answer is A, Dr. Seuss. What is the study of matter and energy and their interactions called? The answer is D, physics. Which type of organism helps return nutrients from dead plants and animals to the soil? The answer is D, decomposer. What force pulls objects toward the center of the Earth? The answer is B, gravity. What do tadpoles change into? The answer is D, adult frogs. Which river flows through the cities of Moscow and St. Petersburg? The answer is A, Volga. Which author wrote The Taming of the Shrew? The answer is C, William Shakespeare. What video game sparked a huge craze and inspired a TV series which aired on ABC from 1982 to 1984? The answer is D. Pac-Man. Who was the first designer to use a sewing machine in fashion? The answer is B. Charles Frederick Worth B. What is the symbol for neon? The answer is C. Ni. The heaviest parrot species on the planet is the kakapo. What is the average weight that a normal mature kakapo can reach? The answer is C. 2 to 4 kg. What is the name of the fawn that Lucy meets in The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe? The answer is D. Tumnus. Capers are derived from what? The answer is C. Flower buds. In the film Watchmen, where did Dr. Manhattan go after he became upset during his interview? The answer is A. Mars. What is the state of nothingness called in philosophy? The answer is D. Nihil. On what part of a cart can you place a shield to improve aerodynamics? The answer is C. Steering column. Which company developed Linux operating system? The answer is D. Linus Torvalds. Who is known as the king of rock and roll?